When General Motors redesigned its family of full-size SUVs for the 2021 model year, it emerged as a more polished grouping, with status-elevating mechanical, packaging, and electronics upgrades. From Tahoe to Escalade, it was a job very well done. I mean, take this GMC Yukon, for example. It's now offered in a new range-topping Denali Ultimate trim, and when fitted with the big 6.2-liter V8, this new for 2023 titanium rush metallic and equipped with Super Cruise hands-free driving. The price tallies over $99,000. So yeah, GM is taking its big rigs upmarket.
Along with its Chevy counterparts, the Yukon owns nearly 70% of the full-size SUV market. A base two-wheel drive Yukon SLE stickers for nearly $60,000. But this here is the result of $40,000 worth of upgrades, the Denali Ultimate. Once considered a truck-based workhorse, the Tahoe, Suburban, and especially this Yukon have now been pushed deep into luxury territory, and GMC is all too happy to oblige its more affluent customers with these types of grandiose trim levels. So here are my 5 favorite Yukon Denali Ultimate characteristics, and a few gripes, of course. But let's begin with the drive. This combination of magnetic ride control, afforded by GM's 4th generation shock absorber technology, and the 4-corner air suspension gives it a dreamboat ride quality. It's as if you're floating on a cushion of air for exemplary cruising comfort. But at the same time, it also feels a little big and less than graceful out here on the curvy back roads, even when driving in sport mode. And this venerable 6.2-liter, 420 horsepower V8 is a bear, albeit a thirsty one that nets only about 16 mpg, and that is on premium gas. A diesel engine is also available, and that one returns about 22 mpg. 4-wheel drive is standard here.
Though I personally prefer the off-road look of the AT4 trim, this new Denali Ultimate, with its dark chrome accents and unique grille with over 10,000 individual reflective surfaces, is quite the impressive looking beast. These 22-inch wheels, however, far too busy for my tastes. This alpine umber colored super soft leather and this beautiful wood grain trim with the Mount Denali topographical map etched into it is absolutely gorgeous. This definitely possesses the richness of a nearly $100,000 SUV. Combined with the 18-speaker Bose Performance Series sound system with these metal grills built into the headrests, well, I find this cabin to be more appealing, far more functional, and easier to use than that of the one in the new Range Rover. Now, what would I change here? Well, I wish GM would take the seat controls and actually take a page out of the Mercedes playbook and put them up here on the door where you can actually see what you're doing. Because it can be aggravating to initiate the massage function here. I know, rich guy problems. And this is a great third row with no uncomfortable intrusions from the rear suspension, seeing as how GM designed this one to be a multi-link independent setup, which is beneficial for that purpose, i.e. your knees are not up around your neck back here. And if you do think you need even more leg room than this, and an additional 15 cubic feet of cargo room behind these third row seats, well, the Yukon XL Denali Ultimate awaits for about $3,000 more. And lastly, if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know that I think the world of Super Cruise. And now, this latest version of GM's hands-free driving technology is better than ever. It even handles the lane changes for you, construction zones, on-ramp traffic, you name it, it is absolutely brilliant. And here's the best part, it's now starting to work off the highway. I'm on a rural divided 2-lane highway going 55 miles per hour right now, and I'm just sitting here. It is amazing. They are expanding the mapping. And it even works while trailering. It's a $2,200 option, but don't you dare miss it.
MSRP is $99,145, taking it well into Escalade and Navigator territory, and within sight of a Range Rover, and GMC's customers can't seem to get enough. for TestDriveNow.com. I'm Steve Hammis.